Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create a Binance account and start trading futures. Everything will be explained clearly so even beginners can follow without difficulty. If you register through the link provided below this video, you can receive a 20% trading fee discount along with special bonus rewards. Be sure to use the link so you don't miss these benefits. Let's begin with the account registration process. When you access Binance through the link below the video, the registration page will open automatically. On this page, you'll see the 20% trading fee discount and several bonus promotions displayed. You can sign up using either your email address or your mobile phone number. Make sure to check the box agreeing to the terms and conditions. Then press Continue. Select the image that matches the word on the left. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Enter the code you received to proceed. Next, create your password. Please set the password to 8 characters including at least one uppercase, lowercase, and number. If an inviter code screen appears, enter SKY333. Using this code provides a 20% Binance trading fee discount and bonus rewards. It's strongly recommended to enter the code before completing your registration. Once this step is completed, your Binance account will be successfully created. Now, let's proceed with KYC verification. KYC verification is required in order to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance. Since this process includes face verification, we'll continue using your smartphone. Install the Binance app on your phone. Launch the Binance app. Log in using the account you just created. You will be directed to the identity verification page. Start by selecting your country or region. For this example, I will choose India. Now, we'll continue with the verification steps. Select one of the available identification document options. I will choose passport verification. Tap Take Photo to capture an image of your passport. Then click Continue. Make sure the photo page of your passport fits clearly within the frame. Ensure there are no reflections or shadows in the image. Next, complete the face verification process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and perform each required action. After completing these steps, your application will be under review. The review process usually takes about 1 hour. Once approved, your status will change to verified. Now, let's set up Google Authenticator for additional security. Return to your PC screen. Click on Accounts in the left-hand menu. Then select Security. We'll enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app. Click Manage. Then choose Use an authenticator app. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter the code you receive. A QR code window will then appear. Install Google Authenticator on your smartphone. Once installed, run the app. Tap the button in the bottom right corner and choose Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will appear in the app. Now, click Next on the Binance PC screen. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the app code field. Your two-factor authentication setup is now complete. Second, I'll guide you step by step through how to complete a peer-to-peer transaction on Binance. First, tap the wallet icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will see several wallet categories displayed on this page. The spot wallet is used to store your assets and execute spot trades. The futures wallet, on the other hand, is dedicated to futures trading only. Begin by tapping on the spot wallet. Next, press the deposit button in the upper right corner. From the menu, choose Buy with USD, P2P. Review the notice carefully and tick the agreement checkbox. Then tap the Start Trade button to move forward. To purchase crypto, ensure that the Buy tab is selected. After that, choose USDT as the asset you want to buy. Compared to BTC or USD, USDT often offers a more stable and competitive rate. Select the currency you will use for payment and enter the desired amount. Now choose the payment method you prefer. Scroll down to see the list of available advertisers. It's advisable to pick sellers with a high number of completed trades and positive feedback. A strong transaction history helps reduce risk. Once you've selected a seller, tap Buy USDT next to their listing. Before continuing, carefully review the seller's trading conditions. Enter the amount of USDT you want to purchase. Then press Buy USDT to proceed. You will now see the seller's name, bank information, and QR code. Before making the payment, read any messages from the seller in the chat. Send the payment using your selected payment method. After sending the payment, go back to the Binance app. Tap Transferred, notify seller to indicate that you've completed the payment. Upload 1 to 3 images as proof of payment. Submit the proof through the app to the seller. Check the agreement box at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Confirm to finalize your request. After a short wait, tap the wallet icon in the top right corner again. This time, select Spot from the wallet list. You should now be able to confirm that your USDT has been successfully credited. Third, I'll walk you through how to trade futures on Binance. Before placing any futures trades, you must transfer your funds from the Spot wallet to the futures wallet. Click the Spot wallet, then click Transfer at the top right. Set the transfer direction from Fiat and Spot to USD and futures. Choose the coin you want to move. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, and click Confirm. Your funds have now been successfully transferred to the futures wallet. To begin futures trading, select Futures from the top menu. Select USD futures. You are now on the main futures trading screen. Tap the button in the top left corner to choose which coin you want to trade. On the right side, you can adjust various futures trading settings. Tap this icon to change your margin mode. In cross mode, all positions share your entire margin balance. In isolated mode, the margin is limited to each individual position. For beginners, isolated mode is generally considered safer. Use this option to set your leverage. Leverage can go up to 150x. Higher leverage increases potential profit, but it also raises liquidation risk. Beginners are advised to start with 3x to 5x leverage. Next, tap here to choose your order type. A limit order allows you to specify your desired entry price. A market order executes immediately at the current market price. Your available margin is displayed below this section. Enter the price and quantity for your trade here. Now decide the direction of your position. Choose Buy Long if you expect prices to rise. If you expect a decline, select Sell Short. Tap the Positions tab at the bottom to view your currently open position. Entry price indicates your average entry price. Mark price is the system's reference price for liquidation calculations. If the market reaches your liquidation price, the system will automatically close your position. P&L displays your real-time profit or loss. Tap the pencil icon next to TPSL to set take profit and stop loss levels. To exit a position, use the Market Close All button and select either market or limit. Finally, confirm that your position has been successfully closed. In today's video, I walked you through the entire Binance process, from creating an account to trading futures, step by step. Everything was explained in a simple and easy to follow manner for beginners. Your subscriptions and likes are a huge support to the channel. Thank you very much for watching until the end.